This question says, in comparison to gear A, this small green gear at the top left, gear B, the red gear on the right, rotates A in the same direction but faster, B in the same direction but slower, or C in a different direction but slower. So let's talk about the direction and the speed separately, starting with the direction. So firstly, it's important to note that this green gear A is fixed to this shaft, to which this larger blue gear is also fixed. So the directional speed and velocity of gear A will be the same for the blue gear. So let's assume that gear A rotates clockwise. Well then, the blue gear will also be rotating clockwise. And then we see that this blue gear is meshed with this large yellow gear. And we know for any two meshed gears, their direction of rotation will be opposite. So if the blue gear is rotating clockwise, then the yellow gear is rotating counterclockwise. Similarly, we see the yellow gear and the red gear B are meshed, and therefore if the yellow gear is rotating counterclockwise, well then gear B is rotating clockwise. And this is the same direction as we assumed for gear A. So therefore, A and B are rotating in the same direction, and answer option C is incorrect, as it says in a different direction. So now let's talk about the speed, which is going faster and which is going slower. So again, an important reminder. The green gear A is fixed to this shaft, and this blue gear is also fixed. So the speed and the direction of rotation will be the same. So when we talk about the speed of the green gear A, this is equivalent to the speed of the blue gear. And because we have this system of meshed gears, we can compare the blue gear and gear B directly. So if we want to figure out which is rotating faster, we can consider the number of teeth, where this blue gear has 15 teeth and red gear B has 12 teeth. So the gear with less teeth, which in this case is gear B, will rotate more quickly. And therefore, the correct answer is A, in the same direction and faster.